Okay, dear student. So this is the first part of basic mathematics in which we will study trigonometry. तो दोस्तों देखो trigonometry ट्री का मतलब आपको पता है थ्री. Metry means the calculation. कोना means sides. तो थ्री साइड्स होना चाहिए, उनका हमें कैलकुलेशन करना होता है. जरूरत कहाँ पड़ती है फिजिक्स में गाइस? जैसे कि मान लो कि कोई भी पार्टिकल मूव कर रही है, सपोज वो ऐसे मूव कर रही है, फिर यहाँ से अपवर्ड जा रही है, तो आपको डिस्प्लेसमेंट पूछा जा सकता है, वेलोसिटी पूछा जा सकता है, या फिर कोई भी कंपोनेंट आपको पूछ लिया जाएगा. इसलिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें हम क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे ये भी देखेंगे, और साथ में फर्स्ट टॉपिक हम शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है. ए पार्ट में पहला टॉपिक हमारा होगा एंगल. व्हाट इज एंगल? What is the angle? Okay, so suppose we have a line, straight line, that is O, and this is X. Okay, so suppose there is a hinge point. Hinge point. What is the meaning of hinge point? That this line will rotate about O. Okay, so if you are rotating it anti-clockwise direction, and suppose there is a new position of this line, that is OA. So what is reference line क्या था हमारा? What was the reference line? Reference line was OX, and new line is OA. Okay, so this is called angle. Angle is generally shown by theta. Theta is what? Angle AOX. जिस भी बच्चे को नाइन्थ एट्थ की नॉलेज होगी उसको समझ आएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. तो what is the angle? तो angle is the rotation. Angle is the rotation. So how would you know that how much it has been rotated, whether in clockwise or whether in anti-clockwise? So we have a sine scheme. We have a sine rule for anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise rotation. We have taken positive value of the angle. For clockwise rotation, we have to take negative value. What is the meaning of it? Suppose this is the reference line OX. So when you rotate it anti-clockwise by theta, or either you can rotate it by clockwise. Suppose this is theta 1, this is theta 2. Okay, so you have to write angle AOX equal to theta 1, but angle, suppose this is BOX equal to minus of theta 2. Negative sign has been taken if you rotate the vector or the direction in clockwise. And if you are going with anti-clockwise, you have to take positive value, right? ओके दोस्तों, तो हमने अभी तक पढ़ लिया एंगल को समझ लिया, एंगल कैसे मेजर करते हैं ये समझ लिया दोस्तों. So right now we have to proceed further, and we have to know how to measure the angle. So there are two systems by which we can measure the angle. Okay, so first one is sexagesimal. It comes from ancient time, but also questions come in this segment. So we have to know the detailed information about sexagesimal system. So guys, in this system, one right angle, one right angle is what? 90 degree. Also, 1 degree, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Also, 1 minute or one dash equal to 60 seconds. This guys, this formula is very important for the conversion. Very useful for कन्वर्जन। बहुत यूजफुल है ये फॉर्मूला कन्वर्जन के लिए, ठीक है, तो इसको आप लोग याद रखें। बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जब हम पूरे सर्कल को रोटेट कर जाते हैं किसी लाइन को लेकर, सपोज ये लाइन हमने ओ एक्स लिया था और जब हम यहाँ से चल के ऐसे आ गए तो हमने कितनी एंगल कवर कर ली, 360 डिग्री। ओके, इस 360 डिग्री में जो 1 डिग्री है, ठीक है, उसको 60 मिनट में डिवाइड किया गया। 1 डिग्री डिवाइडेड इन 60 मिनट एंड 1 मिनट इन 60 सेकेंड्स। आगे टाइम से ही चल जाएगा बट ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, so this is the one system. Okay, so guys, here is second system, that is circular system. Okay, so in circular system, pi radian, is equal to 180 degree. Also you can write 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. Radian is SI unit. SI unit क्या है बच्चों? SI unit is the system which was and opted by the entire world, जो मानती है वैल्यू वो है आपका रेडियन। ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट 1 रेडियन इक्वल टू 180 by pi degree. Okay, this is very useful for conversion purpose. Similarly, you can write 90 degree or right angle equal to pi by 2 radian. What is the radian? Now the question is, what is the radian? What is radian? So guys, first we have to understand the thing. Suppose here is a circle. Okay. Here is a circle. This is point A and this is point B. So this is called arc length. This is arc length. Okay. So suppose this angle is theta. So you can write angle theta is equal to length of arc AB upon radius. Okay. So AB arc is what? Theta into R. If arc AB length is equal to radius, then angle is called 1 radian. So what is the definition? When an angle subtended at the center, of circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of the circle is called 1 radian. Is called 1 radian. Okay. Also, we know 1 radian equal to, sorry, we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian would be 180 by pi degree. You can also write 22 by 7 degree. After calculating, you will get 57.27 degree. When you require, listen, pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, लेकिन when you require the numerical value, then you have to put pi equal to 22/7. This is both the different. If you use area of a circle, then you have to take pi equal to 22/7. Okay.